Ready? Sweet. So we got a 05 Silverado 1500 right here. It's got a 4L60. We put a used tranny in it. We blew the original tranny up, third and fourth one out. So we put a used one in it, and we would drive the first month of driving it. It would barely go into park, and it would only go to second gear. So we're like, oh, it's the shift cable. Replaced the shift cable, only made it worse. We did an OEM GM one. And today we dropped the pan, and I'm gonna go under and show you guys what we found and what you need to fix to have your truck shift again.
To go into park.
Yeah.
It would shift, just wouldn't go into park.
What would it go? Reverse to drive?
It would
Reverse,
barely go reverse.
Yeah, so that's all we had was 3, and now we're hitting them from park to first, and it feels great. So I'll show you guys what happened.
Yep, climb under there.
Okay, so here you can see we just have the pan hanging down. It's at the very front of the pan. There's your motor, oil filter, all that. So you look up in there, and right there, I'll drop it down into first. Okay, that gives us a better view of this nut. So there's that nut right there, and mine was completely backed off. It was all the way, it was back there a little bit. And when you'd put it in, if you'd watch it go, if you'd watch try to shift it, the whole thing would kind of go sideways and make it be all weird. So all you got to do is put it down on first and tighten up that bolt, and then adjust your shift cable from there once you have that completely tightened. I mean, now you guys can see full range of motion out, go to park. See? Park to first, and it does it pretty easily. All you got to do is tighten up that bolt up in there. And everything it's pretty simple to do. A little harder with long tubes, but we got it done. That's all you got to do to get your truck to shift again.